Try.
I'm taking a hammer to that thing.
Are you taking a picture of me?
I am. Why are you doing that?
Because I want to make a hole.
You want to make a hole so you're banging your head? That's not going to work, mister. Go like this. And step on it.
No.
Yeah!
That didn't do too much.
That didn't do much.
Don't, really.
Are you recording?
Yes, let him have it.
That's my turn to do it again.